Good morning students, this is Sheba. Now we are going to see about the microprocessor and microcontrollers unit 1 6 microprocessor. So in that we are going to see about the instruction sets of 8086. So instruction set, it is nothing but the set of instructions. From the name itself you can say the set of instructions which we are using to access the data, to mention the data. Okay, so instruction, why it is needed? It is nothing but it is a communication between the user and the machine. So we need to instruct the machine to do the particular operation or application, then only it can perform those operation. So the instruction we are giving must be understandable form to the machine. So in 8086 we will be using the assembly language programming instructions for giving the instruction to the machine. So instruction is nothing but a binary pattern designed inside a microprocessor to perform the specific function. So opcodes and operands will be mentioned in that instruction for the machine to understand the operation we need to do. And assemblers is nothing but it converts the, as I mentioned, assembly language programming, the assembler it converts the instruction into the sequence of binary bits which can be read out by the processor, that is our machine processor. And mnemonics are also symbolic codes and commands for the particular function, if I need to perform the particular function. There are many types of instructions set available in 8086. Those are data, copy or transfer instruction like move, load, store, etc. comes under this data transfer instruction. Next one is the arithmetic and logical instruction. As we know, arithmetic and logical is nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. All this comes under arithmetic and logical instruction. And next one is the bit manipulation instruction, logical instruction. Logical and, or, nor, XOR, etc. These and all comes under the logical instruction. Shift and rotate instruction. As we know, shift is nothing but shift towards left or shift towards right. Rotate left, rotate right. These are all shift and rotate instructions to rotate the data, to shift the data from one place to another place. Branching or program execution instruction like call. If you are using a main program, if you need to call the subprogram, means you will be using call, return to the main program, jump instruction, jump to the particular location, loop, for like we are using in C, for loop, while loop. Here you will be using loop until that condition is satisfied, the loop will be going on. String instruction is nothing but comparing the string, moving, repeat, scanning the string, etc. These are all string instructions. And finally processor control instructions like carry. If you are going for addition operation or something else, if you are getting the carry, you need to indicate the carry flag. So flag indication and all comes under this processor control instruction. Clearing, halt, stopping particular function, no operation, lock, wait, escape, etc. These are all comes under this processor control instruction. These are all about the types of instructions available in the instruction set of 8086 processor. If you see this instruction set, what is the main purpose of using this instruction set? You can see is that is nothing but for example, you can take a real time application like gaming devices. If you are playing a video game, means you have to instruct move. You are using a button to move, but how it is moving? The hardware control is connected. Also the software is given. When a particular condition of the gamer is satisfied, suddenly the game will get terminated. It will instruct okay, you have won, you have been defeated, like that the game will be indicating. All this software control and all comes under this instruction set only. So based on this instruction set only, we will be giving the instruction to the device, machine, video gaming device, and it will be giving the instruction to the game and a particular operation will be performed. So this is the real time implementation of the instruction set of 8086. If you have any doubts in this, you can ask me and get the details. Thank you.